actually look at me.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go, go, go. Ah, no, not slow. Dude, you're winning.
I'm sorry.
That was close though. I was quicker at the start, but like...
Yeah. Oh, that was actually a nice race. I can't lie. It's part of it's a part of the tune.
Yeah, but like that makes it ugly. That's why I didn't do it. I'll keep my sexy. Yeah, man.
Ooh.
This is the life, bro.
Ooh. Okay.
I told you, bitch.
Okay. Wait. What do you use? What do you use? Is it automatic gear?
My game crashed.
Or you disappeared?
My game crashed. Come on! Come on! Oh my
I slowed down.
so close in my screen.
That was
like
close.
half a meter.
Ooh. I skid.
Good.
Yeah. I slowed down.
See, that's how. No, but I don't wanna restart.
Yeah, me too. Oh, wait it out, bro. Wait it out. Hold on.
No.
Okay, I'm at house
Dude, my whole
95.
game turned purple.
No.
Everything is
Oh, bro, I think I'm back in the same server we were in.
Dude, my game died
No way.
after restarted. My God! For God's sake, CarX, fix your goddamn game. Okay, I did the same.
No.
Too slow, man. Too slow.
Yeah, that's too slow.
Really?
Okay, nice. Hold on. I gotta redo that. I better clap it, to be honest.
Game crashed!
Oh, no way.
I'm gonna lose so bad.
No, bro, you probably might win. Just saying. You never know.
You never know. Go, bitch! I'm losing like ass. Dude, you're just gaining gap. Dude,
Bro, you're right behind me. What are you talking about?
Cause you got delay and shit. Like, was I? How close was I in your screen?
Bro, you were blending up with me on my. Yeah.
Come on, bitch! Bro.
Dang, OG.
This is good. I'll give you that one.
Already? Watch this.
Yours is way faster. That
Yo.
counts. Yeah.
No.
Definitely so drifty. You know what?
It's struggling not to skid.
See, man, that's the victory there.